How to use fluid simulation in Blender. First of all, select the object you want to use as the fluid domain, usually a cube surrounding the area where the fluid will flow. In the Physics Properties panel, enable Fluid, set the type to Domain, and choose Liquid as the domain type. Next, select the object that will act as the fluid source. Enable Fluid, set the type to Flow, and choose Liquid. Then select either Inflow for continuous fluid emission or Geometry to use the object as the one-time fluid source. After that, add any objects the fluid should collide with, like containers or obstacles. Select them and enable Fluid with the type set to Effector to make the fluid interact realistically. Return to the domain object and click Bake Data to calculate the fluid simulation. This process might take some time depending on your settings. Once the baking is complete, play the animation to see your fluid flow and interact with the environment. Now you know how to use fluid simulation in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.